What's up, guys? Shell Techno here, working on a little HDPE loft. So we've got this block, high-density polyethylene example 3. And criticals here, we are modeling in the metric world. Each grid is 1 centimeter. And we're going to be using a technique that we haven't used before, so I thought I'd shoot a video. So here we go. Fusion, we're going to create a new drawing inside our Properties of Shapes project. I'm going to change units over right away. So if you don't remember this one, change active units to millimeters. Actually, I'll go centimeters. It's going to make it easier to model. Click OK. Going to create a sketch. 2-point rectangle. Click, click, and then I will go, it's 9 wide, tab by 5 high, enter, hit the E key to extrude, choose my profile, I'm going to go 4 deep, enter. Next steps, to create a loft, I need to create a sketch profile on the front face and on the back face in order to loft between the two. So, I will create a sketch on this surface. I'm going to use the line command L. And now that I have these blocks here, I can actually snap to the grid. That one's created. Stop sketch. And I know this part by heart already. Shh, too loud for my recording. So the front is 1 over from each side and 1 up from the bottom. The back side is 2 over from each side, and it's 2 up. 1, 2 from the top. So going back to Fusion, I'm going to spin this around, do a sketch on the back side. Line 2 in, bam, 2 down. Oh, it looks like I didn't get that center line right. Bam, and 2 up. Bam. Oh, I need to go 2 over as well. Close the profile. And return. So I've got my profile on the back correct. If I dimension this and click from this point to the edge, just to make sure, yeah, I'm not quite right. So I'm going to go exactly 2 centimeters. That should be good. And then I'm going to give a equal constraint to these lines, just to make sure that they are symmetrical. Good. Now on the front side, I have to do the same thing, because that's where I messed up. So I got to get back into this sketch, stop sketch, go back into this sketch, and I want to give an equal command. Bam, bam. Now I got to dimension some other stuff here. This, oops, I want to hit the D key for dimension. This to this. This needs to be a 1. Enter. This needs to be a 1. Enter. And this needs to be a 1. And return. Stop sketch. So now I've got my 2 profiles here. Looks like I got some issues with this back one. Darn it. So let's spin around and see if we can fix it easy. I'll double click into this sketch. I'm going to select this line and delete it. Line. And I'll try and connect these two. Stop sketch. 1 second here while I rein this class in one more time. Class! We're back, and we're to the Loft tool. So what we need to do yet, we've got our 2 profiles drawn. They are closed, meaning they show up as separate objects. I'm going to go into Create, choose Loft, select my front profile, spin around to the back of the block, choose my rear profile. It's going to create a cut through all of this as soon as I say OK, which it does. Home view, and I will save it. V block, centimeter, 5.6.
41, and what's the use?
How you get better. How would you change that?
And